Welcome to this video on building a solid foundation in network marketing. In this video, we'll be sharing some valuable tips for beginners looking to get started in the network marketing industry. Whether you're new to this business model or have been struggling to find success, the tips we'll be providing will help you establish a strong foundation. One of the first steps in building a solid foundation in network marketing is to choose the right company to work with. Look for a company that has a solid reputation, products or services that you are passionate about, and a compensation plan that aligns with your goals. Research different companies, attend presentations, and reach out to current distributors for their insights. To succeed in network marketing, it's important to have a deep understanding of the products or services you'll be promoting. Take the time to learn about the benefits, features, and unique selling points of the products. This will not only help you communicate effectively with potential customers but also build confidence in your own business. Building a personal brand is crucial in network marketing. Identify your strengths, values, and unique selling propositions. Create a professional online presence through social media platforms and a personal website. Be consistent with your branding and showcase your expertise and authenticity to attract potential leads and build trust. In network marketing, effective communication and relationship building skills are essential. Learn how to listen actively, ask the right questions, and provide value to your prospects. Build relationships based on trust and authenticity rather than just focusing on making sales. Remember, network marketing is a people business. Setting realistic goals and creating an action plan is vital for success in network marketing. Define your short-term and long-term goals and break them down into actionable steps. Regularly review and adjust your plan as needed. This will help you stay focused, motivated, and on track towards achieving your desired results. Investing in personal development is a must for network marketing professionals. Continuously seek opportunities to learn and grow. Attend industry conferences, read books, listen to podcasts, and engage with mentors or coaches who can guide you on your journey. Remember, personal development is the key to unlocking your full potential. Congratulations! You now have a better understanding of how to build a solid foundation in network marketing as a beginner. Remember to choose the right network marketing company, understand the products or services, develop your personal brand, master communication skills, set realistic goals, invest in personal development, and stay consistent in your efforts. With dedication and perseverance, you can achieve your desired level of success in this industry.